Hello, welcome to the XUCPA channel. May 17, Monday, is going to be the 10:40 deadline for most Americans if you have not or don't plan to file your extension, which means that is a day for most Americans to submit your personal tax return. Now in this video, we're going to share with you some important tips that you need to know and why is it different for you to file your 2020 tax return compared to the previous years. Please stay tuned. The first point I want to talk to you about is we're seeing a lot of refunds in 2020. So one of the reasons why filing your taxes for 2020 is a little different from the previous years is because there are actually a lot of different changes to the IRS rules and regulations. Just to give you a bit of an idea, so there's currently 121 million copies of tax return that have been received by the IRS. They have processed it, and 81 million number of tax refunds have actually gone out to 81 million of taxpayers. Now the second thing that you need to know about is May 17 is also the deadline if you want to make any changes or amendment to your 2017 tax return that has already been filed. So what are the scenarios that you will need to amend your 2017 tax return? It will be if you feel like you're missing any credits or missing any large deductions, then you might want to consider amending your 2017 tax return, and bear in mind that May 17 is the last day. Now the third point is unemployment income. During the pandemic, a lot of taxpayers actually received a portion of the unemployment income will not be taxable for year 2020. So for single, it'll be up to 10,200. For family, if both couple are actually not working during 2020, then 20,400 is actually not taxable, as long as your AGI is under a certain threshold, and the threshold is 150,000. Now the fourth point is enhanced child tax credit. So historically, child tax credit is up to $2,000, but now it has been increased to $3,000, and if you have a child under age of 6, then it is additional 600. So if you file your tax return and you're eligible for this additional enhanced child tax credit, you will start receiving cash starting from the month of July. So that will be another incentive for you to file your tax return May the 17th. Now, one of the reasons is if you feel like you owe a balance, then the recommendation to reduce any penalties and interest is to make sure that you file your tax return and request for installment plan with the IRS. That will be the best way to reduce your penalties. Last but not least, we know that tax filing can be very confusing. If you ever need help, please reach out. We would love to help. Worst case scenario, if you feel that you are really absolutely not ready, then we recommend that you submit 4868, which is an extension that you can submit to the IRS so that you have additional time to prepare for your filing, which would be due October the 15th. Thank you so much for following this channel. We put in a lot of efforts into developing this channel to help individuals and business owners. So if you'd like to support us, please like, share, and subscribe, and we appreciate it very much. We will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.